So what's the difference between a rubber-lined pump and a hard metal-lined pump? The rubber-lined pump is better suited for smaller particle sizes, such as less than 500 micron in diameter. When you have a slurry that has larger diameter solids, larger than 0.5 mil, and can tend to be sharp in nature, a hard metal pump is better suited in those situations. The other thing to consider is the tip speed of the impeller. As with all centrifugal pumps, they have an impeller that is rotating at a particular speed. A rubber-lined pump has a particular limitation because it is much softer and can tend to shred if it is run too fast. If you need any more assistance with your particular application, please feel free to get in touch.